welcome to Palace Africa Online Television, right here on the channel. Me with the report, me the precious Amabel Levy. Family, today na the two of the coronavirus lockdown na salon, and we don't they go all about the country. They watch how people then they observe am. And so far waiting we don't see. We see say today better pass yesterday as people then they comply more na the western part of the country, and same way so we see say yesterday them boku nurses them boku lab technician them where we see on the road. Today we see say they may get some buses them, even though not to all of them but now one able for PI part where we they do the worker. But again, one thing where we see continue, and the fact say Guma Valley they don't step up, they don't give water now. But because yesterday people are not get water, so today we see say people in the crowd, and to be specific around the Tender Hill part when the eastern parts of Freetown, we see say people in the crowded there, and we see police then they intervene for see where they can able for let them make a line and all. Another interesting thing where we see Paniwaka today, we been get a report say somebody will be born yesterday or the day before yesterday he be born a hospital because I didn't TBA them help him for let it born because of the hospital when not doctors they're not there, but we make for understand say the pikin get to die due to complication. So at the end of the day, they may need medicine them for let the mommy itself go be stable. We waka na the eastern part. We not been see pharmacy them, but when we carry the western, we able for see at least two pharmacy will be open, and we'll be able to get the medication and then take the people them back for go the place inside them in tap. Also, we see say the soldier man them and the policeman them, then they work as a team. As every other checkpoint, they get to check you, even if you don't pass 2-3-10, then still they check you for see say you get you pass, and see say you don't only get you pass, but you get also your ID card. So this is not somebody thing that we don't get for city there, but the Freetown city they look calm. People they look there and they gather, they and the parts them inside they supposed for they will not hear of any other incident so far. We also been talk with some pandi and waiting themselves say they say I miss the challenges them where they get. Some they still see how they keep able for the
This na Tender Hill community na Kisi usai we see residents there. They gather plenty for water as they say. For 2 days now the Guma Valley Water Company come and can give them 10,000 liter water, and so then they try to get for their household.
The lockdown started on Sunday, and today the second day, it's not easy. But I always say, when a professional, it's in a professional manner. Within the community like Kaningo, Kamayama, and Juba, people and they come out, say they want water. So they call me, I go to the men then, I meet them, I do some out over, I talk to them, get water, in force, and then go back inside. I know somebody can look at the feet, but all good day, they go. So no one, it's about educating them. Go and stay within your house, stay indoors. Reason me, by gardening, then ensure that you get the disease. When you avoid that body contact and wash your hands, you stay safe in your house. I mean, there's things that you're not going to be getting this virus.
And one other thing where people don't they complain about now the fact say even though the police then they na street, but then say some pan the constable the way na get say they not get the transport facility them. So what do you think about that one day?
Well, that's I don't go say much in negative. Reason being, we have service where they all over. As you know, the police then don't bokuna. You know, we get all the same thing. Somebody western, somebody eastern, central. We have service where they plan a morning and evening, win and come and can go even 10. Then maybe the route it up, the bus service don't pass the day or not candidate. But with time we must have break. We must then they come to the bus service in the morning hours after work, take their home back. So for them, instead of bus service, maybe take candidate pass. But wait a while, they come back and take you. Get forward, they can eastern, then more they go western. So they call service, they call vis-a-vis. You must get more service to the breaker and can go.
And as they don't meet the second day, una don't get people where then don't go against the law, where don't come on a treat. And if that happen, what una don't do to them?
Well, few of them kind of streets, but I tell you, they always way professional, able to handle the issue. We talk to them, then concern our side, they go fail. At least one water, but we talk to them, pacify them, and they go back home. Because say water the boss they come and start to hear them, but the crowd they rush and fight, but they go there, put them in that orderly manner, give them water, and then go home back. It's about arrest. I was talking to them, then they say reason and go home back. As you know, we are pushing community policy. It's about arrest. To them,
We be same way so see this man here where police try for interrogate, and according to Ram, in comot na Guinea and in a soldier man, he come na tongue for him mama in bearing, and because of that one day he been the work and a treat. Policemen get for ask him if he gets any form of identification, but he say he left an a Guinea wey not been sound convincing according to the police officer them. So they mean get for take him and go with him na station for further investigation. The medical officers then go and pick them up. Continue for stay now us. You get medical officers them, pharmacists them, where then still they attend to the public, though the one they are so no boku, but people them where they around the Freetown axis appreciate this wire so, and they ask Papa government for let add pan the pharmacy the way they open. And policemen them mean they all about na checkpoints them with some health workers them who side they be they check people in temperature, and same way so they check for all documents that we person forget for say eligible for waka na treat. Important for note say the western part of the country be extremely clean and quiet, as the only people in way who been the seen at treat now the health workers them, the security sector people them, civil society organization, and cross section of the journalists them way been they observe waiting they go on now the country as now the second day of the COVID-19 lockdown. Precious Amabel Leby reporting for Pulse Africa Online TV.